This tutorial shows you how to manually group related apps into folders on your home screen. First, go to your home screen. After that, touch and hold on an app you'd like to group with another. From there, drag it directly on top of a related app, like placing two social media apps together. At this point, this automatically creates a folder containing both apps. In the next step, tap on the newly created folder. Following this, tap on the folder name field to rename it, like Social or Productivity. Once done, drag more related apps onto this same folder to keep building out that category. From here, repeat this process to create additional folders for other categories you'd like on your home screen. At this stage, drag and drop these folders anywhere on your home screen to arrange them how you prefer. Keep in mind, stock Android doesn't offer true automatic category creation on the home screen, so manually grouping apps into folders like this is the only native method available. Finally, tap outside any folder to close it once you've finished organizing your home screen categories. And that's it! If this guide helped you create home screen app categories, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.